Okay, so we're gonna do black. Black. We'll do 2 blacks. Just in case. I'm sorry. That's rather rude of me. Because you guys can't see if I do it that way. All the way over there. Okay. Now we're gonna do black. These ones are different. Let's just get 15 million different types of dye of food coloring. Okay, so these are gels, so we'll see how this works. Oop. I don't know how much. I have sugar in them, so I don't know. Don't know. They're not like the other ones. No, it's a blue-black. All blacks are either blue or red. Sometimes you'll get a green. All blacks are usually blue or red. Those are the 2 natural. Just got some on my knee. So I probably should stir this more than I do. But I just don't see, like, there's a clump. I see one right there. But for the most part, I didn't really see a whole lot of clumps in my color. But that could be just me. You may have said, Shardvixen, we saw tons of them damn things. And you just weren't paying attention. Which is true. So there's one. But this is more jelly, so maybe this is more like the first ones I did, the red with the icing gels. I feel like this is, let's see, it's a black. That's a black. Oh, that wasn't good. Did you see it? It came all the way out because I clipped it. And now I've got black floating all the way down the front of my shirt. Oh. I have a rug under my feet, but it's a rug that protects the rug under the other rug. Okay, that was not good. Though this would make a good inky, like writing ink. And I could do pink too. I have pink. I might do pink after this. I need my other paper though. Where'd it go? Alright, sorry. There goes another one. I'm wondering if you could spritz these. Or if the stuff makes it too thick to come into the spritzer. I don't know. I don't know. I have plenty of dye to make for a spritz though. Oh, there's another big piece that came out. It jumped out. Alright. It's not that I'm not patient, I just don't see anything else there. Oh. Now my hair's in it. Now my hair's in it too. Holy beans. Okay. Let's do what we gotta do here. My back's starting to bother me. We want to put that one in first. Let's do this one. It hurts. Oh, this is running away from me. Don't run away from me, little blue. You'll make a mess if you do. I'm going to use that, though. I'm going to use those colors in a little bit to make some paper. Be sure to check out the paper trail, because that's what we're going to make with this paper. Make some rainbows and stuff like that. Okay, so I'm going to flip it over. And we're going to flip it over again. because I don't feel like this side got as much of it as it should have. Ah! Got a bit of blue going on. Okay, got black. That's kind of cool. Kind of cool. Let's clean it off. All right. Let's get our lid. So these lids are not as good as cool as the ones that Amy had over there in Aljon's, because hers actually have a container that clicks it in. Okay, I see that I might have some liquid in there, but I'm not going to worry about it. All right, so we're going to check to see if our pad works. And our pad works. Yay, if it works for that. Awesome. So our pad works for that one. Let's try. Oh, oh son of a bitch. Oh, stretch. I made it. Things are jumping out at me. Just stay there, please. Where's this one going? Where's that blue going? Stay there. I'm probably going to make some more watercolor food coloring ones to get rid of all those food coloring that I have that are bad, old. So I'm going to add them to my vinegar mix. Okay, so we're going to do stenciling real quick. See if that worked, how that worked. Let's do one of our other letters. Let's see if this letter is done. I think this letter is done. Because they're homemade stamps, so I wanted to use some of my homemade stamps, see how they work. I did get a carving kit for making homemade stamps, but I'm not sure how that's going to work. That's pretty cool. That worked well. Yes, Boo Boy.
That changed my mind. There's a new game now.
Yeah?
Actually, it's an old game, but it's kind of cool. It's like Ark, but
it's like what?
Different.
It's like Ark, but different. Okay.
But there's aliens.
So there's
So
aliens.
satisfactory.
Oh, yeah, I've seen that.
Is it a cool game?
Yeah, you should watch some videos of it. See if you like it.
There's also some laps.
Okay, so we're gonna do this thing here. We're gonna do a spongy thing again. I should probably make some daubers with this. Okay, so we're gonna.
And his mom.
Yeah,
Mom,
yeah.
I might want to play Outer Worlds again, but I'm not making new saves because I kind of messed up. I wanted to work for the guys. I wanted to work for the guys that have the city, not the guys that have villains.
Okay.
I don't want to work for those guys.
You don't want to work for those guys.
I want to make them die.
Okay.
Because
well,
they don't really do anything.
I'm recording, so do you want to talk about this later?
Yes.
Yeah.
Wait, you're recording?
Yep. So there we go. That's a homemade stamp, and that turned out really well. I don't. You're Boo Boy always. So that turned out really cool. See that? Awesome.
I totally don't have a real name.
These are my homemade.
I totally don't have a real name.
You totally don't have a real name. That is correct. Oh, we wanted to do a stencil. Boo Boy, totally. Boo Boy is your only name. Okay, we're going to do one more stencil. These papers are done, so they're going in my done paper area. Because I will cut them out and use things for them. So let's do this one. That stamp there. And there it went. That's pretty cool, guys. Pretty cool. So I'm very excited. It's not a deep dark, and it's kind of a greeny, actually, greeny black. But it's fine. So we're gonna try making, I think, a white, and then I'm gonna make some browns. I'm not making a small